My name is Leela and welcome back to another episode of Diary of a Wavy Girl. Now my hair is just slightly damp, it's mostly dry right now. All I've done with it, I conditioned the ends and put a little bit of baking soda just through my scalp just to get it extra clean feeling, but it wasn't officially a hair washing day for me. So my hair feels really weird. But anyway, so today's episode is all about, okay, does salt water really help enhance waves? And the answer is yes, it does. However, it's also very drying, and the more salt water you spray, in my case, the more wavy and almost clenched my hair feels. It's kind of sticky and crispy. And at the end of the day, I really need a deep, nourishing hair mask. Rinse out the salt and put in a deep hair mask just to kind of apologize to my hair. But it does work, and so I wanted to show you. So in this bottle, I have about a tablespoon of salt and some warm water that helped dissolve it. This bottle, I use it for everything. It's awesome. So what I'm just gonna do is spray the salt water on my hair. You want to close your eyes because, as you all know, salt in the eyes hurts. So I'm just kind of scrunching my hair up. I really think I need to get a stool and stand on a stool in here when I do these videos, because I've got my camera like on the lowest setting on my shelf, the lowest shelf, and you guys still can't see most of me at all. It's a shorty problem. So anyway, oh, I just lost my water bottle. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray it through the length here. All right, now I'm gonna scrunch. So I'm gonna flip my hair over. And I'm gonna scrunch it. Okay. All right. All right. So I will show you the finished product once it dries. Okay, so this is the result from that. Okay, I'm trying to stand on my tiptoes so you guys can see. The longer my hair gets, the harder this is gonna be to do. Okay, I'll show you from the back. So it really does help enhance that wave. Okay. And then from the front, so you can see it definitely made my hair a bit big. So, and if even now, if I was to spray more salt water in and then repeat the same process, or even just let it air dry, my hair would scrunch up even further, and the waves would even be more, I don't know if big is the right word, but they would be tighter. So anyway, this is what salt water can do, and I actually like this look a lot. So anyway, this is with salt water. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Oh, I should mention, this salt that is best for this kind of a thing is sea salt. However, today all I had available was table salt, and it worked just fine too. Okay, all right, now, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And comment down below too. Have you ever used salt water in your hair, and did you like the results or not? What did it do for you? I will see you guys again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.